My name is Maitri Chaudhary. I am with my team members. My team name is Cane of Coders and problem statement ID is 1345. Today I am here to present our view on the topic iUse Startup Portal. Before starting, I would like to ask you one question. Suppose you are having a good idea to execute it, but do not know how to execute it. Then what will happen? In this regard, our idea play an important role in educating and aware people how to interact. It provides platform user-friendly as well as interactive. A portal is directly provided a collaborative platform for all the startups community. It will bring the community at a global level. Then the question arises that why we have to introduce this. Now, the answer is in the next slide. First, startup guide. This term tells us the connection as well as communication, which provide guidance and as well as step-by-step instruction to an individual or a team who are looking to start, who have an innovation idea, as well as they want to address any type of solution of a particular problem. The next number is mentorship program. It means that it is stated that when a person is having knowledge and experience, they are guiding less experienced and knowledgeable person through scheduling meeting and tracking process. Opportunity showcase. If the person is having the idea and they want to present in a world, they want a platform. iUse Startup Portal provide a platform where a team or an individual can share his or her idea as well as problem solution of a particular situation they want to address in the market. The next term is virtual connection. Today, the whole world is dependent upon digital. iUse Startup Portal also provide digital. It means that there is no physical connection in which a person has digital connection between stakeholder and incubator, by which there is a good communication, sharing resources as well as engaging activity, by which the entire community will develop. The next step arises if we are using this portal to face any type of problem and we want to give feedback, where we have to go. We also provide feedback and reports. It means that while using this portal, if you face any type of problem, you can tell to us by using this website and we will help you update our data set. For further, I would like to call Manas for this presentation.
Thank you, Maitri, for calling me. Now I would like to explain the flowchart for iUse Startup Portal. I would like to firstly introduce our database. We have two databases, government authorized user database and the whole database of our website containing all the database. Now we have four types of users: incubators, stakeholder, government organized users, and startup and founders. If they will come to our website. If they are pre-existing users, they can simply log in and will come to our home page. If they are not, they can register to our website and ask for their credential from the government, and government give them their credentials and they can simply come to our website. Now, when they come to our home page, in our home page we have added our new generation assistant which can easily navigate them to our front end. We have added assistant to reduce the complexity and make our website more easy to accessible. Now we like to come our front end. In our front end, when assistant will navigate our users, we have first personalized profile page. In personal, when user log in into our page, user page, it will show their personal interest, privileges and information. Now, second is our resource library. Resource library will provide case studies, guidelines, and information and sufficient amount of data about medtech, health tech and biotech, which is being provided by the government, which is stored in our database, and it is a plethora of information which is being available and stored in our website and shown to our resource library, which can easily be used by our users. Now, third is our showcase page. Showcase page is our opportunity page, which is being new opportunities will be shown here, which is being used by the startup founders and stakeholders for their informations. Third is our mentorship program. Mentorship program is being organized for the new stakeholders and founders for their more business knowledge. It is being organized by the government, and government is using scheduled seminar which is being taken by experienced entrepreneur for new startup and stakeholders for their business knowledge, market strategies and trends, which is being scheduled in mentorship program. Now last is government agencies page. In government agency page, new guides, policies and regulations will be shown, which is being shown by government about the startup, which can be accessed by everyone. In the last, I would like to tell about the feedback, as feedback is being very important to every website. Feedback can be given by anyone, like stakeholders can give their feedback and about how the project was being made, and it is important for everyone that how these things are made, and it will make our website more accessible, and it is important as for the feedback. Now I would like to explain the advantages of our website. First, our website having startup registration. In a startup registration, new stakeholders, new founders and incubators can come and can register for their website. It means you have easily access, and we have given a chance to our newcomers and new people who can want to do something in and make a revolution can come here and make the startup registration. It is the first step of their journey to entrepreneurship and making their future more bright. Second is our resource access. Resource access. Government is providing us many resources like medtech, health tech, biotech, and guides and more medicines, herb information. We are providing it to you. You can make it you can make these resources available to you, and you can use this information to take your startup to a next level. By the use of this information, many herbs, medicines which are not generated, which are being in the process, might you are the next people who can develop this by the help of this information which are being provided to you. Third is easy navigation. In the world of full complexities and directionless meanings, we have made an assistant for you, which will guide you to have an easy assistant. And for the easy assistant, we have added a assistant tool which can easily navigate to our front end, which being reducing our complexity and made a easy navigation for you. Explain support system. Support system, like someone has queries and more tell us they want to support, they can easily contact us and make their queries, any problem to us. We will always there to handle their queries, and our support team will be there always for them. Now I would like to come to community interaction. Community interaction means we are making people together, and new stakeholders and incubators are there. We are making them interacting through our website. We are making a meeting platform, or we can say we are interacting them on our platform through which they can easily discuss their new journeys, new startup, new policies, or which may are they going to introduce. Now I would like to explain the dependencies of our website. In our website there are 3 dependencies, and first is our continuous improvement. The feedback given by the users is being taken by us, and we have to continually improve our website. By the feedback which is being, if is being not given by the user, we cannot grow. So the feedback is very important, and it is our first dependency. Second is our marketing and promotion strategies. We need more marketing and more social media interaction for our website. If we do not have more popularity on our website, we cannot be more growable, and people will not know us, and new startup and new founders will not come to us. So we need new social media strategies, market strategies, and digital marketing we need at all. Last one is our funding. Funding is a very important in business, in market, in new startup. Funding is a main expectation. If we do not get funding, we cannot make our website more attractive, more beautiful, more usable for users. If we get more funding, we can easily take more coders, more hire people, more resources are there, we can add more resources to our website. So government can help us in the funding, and more incubators and stakeholders can help us for the funding.
This portal is directed to provide a platform for entire community at a global level.
This was all from our side. Thank you.